In today's video, I will show you how to resize a picture in Microsoft Word. This is a very simple thing to do, but it can completely change how your document looks, whether you are working on a school assignment, a professional report, or even a personal project. Knowing how to resize image properly will make everything look cleaner and more professional. So, first of all, open Microsoft Word and load the document you are working on. Once the document is open, scroll to the part where your image is located. This helps you focus directly on the picture and make sure you are editing the correct one. Select that image and click on the image to select it. When the picture is selected, you will see small circle or square appear around it. These are called selection handlers, and they tell you the image is ready to be added. So before resizing, it's good idea to know what size you actually need. Here is some common photo formats. So you have here 2R, 3R, 4R and 5R. All of them are in inches, so 2.5 x 3.5 inches. Then 3R is 3.5 to 5 inches. 4R is 4 to 6, and 5R is 5 to 7. Knowing your target size makes the resizing process faster and keeps your document consistent. So with the image selected, look at the top of the screen. You should now see the picture format tab appear right here, and click on it. This tab gives you all the tools you need to edit and resize your image. In the picture format, find the field for height and width. It's right over here at the right side. Type in the exact number or use the small arrow to adjust the size slowly. So I will go for example like this, and now I will show you. If I type in 2.5 inch with 3.5 inch, now it needs it sorry, 2.5 and 3.5 inches. Okay, my bad. So here I will place 2.5 inch and 3.5, like so. If you want to keep the image from stretching, make sure the aspect ratio stays locked. Take a moment to adjust both values until the picture looks just right. Once you are happy with the size, take a quick look at your full document. Make sure the image fits nicely with the rest of the layout, and that's it. You have successfully resized an image in Microsoft Word. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial helps you create cleaner, better looking documents. If this helped you out, feel free to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.